Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we will start lesson number 5, Staying Healthy. But before that, we will learn its new words. So let's start. Number 1, healthy. H-E-A-L, health. T-H-Y-T. Healthy means free from sickness. हेल्दी का मतलब होता है निरोगी यानी स्वस्थ. नेक्स्ट इज हैबिट. H-A है P-I-T बट हैबिट मीन्स समथिंग दैट यू डू ऑफन एंड ऑलमोस्ट विदाउट थिंकिंग. हैबिट का मतलब होता है आदत. नेक्स्ट इज लीड. L-I-D लीड. Lead means the top part of a box. लीड का मतलब होता है किसी बक्से या बर्तन आदि का ढक्कन. नेक्स्ट इज रिंस. R-I-N-S-E रिंस. रिंस means to wash something in water in order to remove soap or dirt. रिंस का मतलब होता है पानी से धोना. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज. E-A-X-E-R सर C-I-S-E साइज. एक्सरसाइज मीन्स फिजिकल और मेंटल एक्टिविटी दैट कीप्स यू हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. एक्सरसाइज का मतलब होता है कसरत. नेक्स्ट इज मसल्स. M-U S-C-L-E-S cells. Muscles means one of the parts inside your body that you can make tight. Muscles का मतलब होता है मांसपेशियाँ. नेक्स्ट इज स्टैंडिंग. S-T-A-N-D stand I-N-G-ing standing. Standing means the position of somebody. स्टैंडिंग का मतलब होता है किसी की स्थिति या खड़े रहना. नेक्स्ट इज एरोबिक. A-E-A-R-O-B-I-C बिग. एरोबिक मीन्स कनेक्टेड विथ और नीडिंग ऑक्सीजन. एरोबिक का मतलब होता है ऑक्सीजन पर आधारित. नेक्स्ट इज टायर्ड. T-I-R-E-D tired. Tired means feeling that you need to rest or sleep. Tired का मतलब होता है थका हुआ. नेक्स्ट इज posture. P-O-S posh T-U-R-E chair. Posture means the way that a person sits, stands, walks. पोस्चर का मतलब होता है किसी व्यक्ति की बैठने, खड़े होने, चलने आदि की मुद्राएं. नाउ लेट्स रिवाइज. हेल्दी, हैबिट्स, लीड, रिंस, एक्सरसाइज, मसल्स, स्टैंडिंग, एरोबिक, टायर्ड, पोस्चर. Now, students, you have to write these new words in your notebook.
We should take good care of our body to keep it healthy, as it is rightly said that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Healthy body and healthy mind leads to happiness. We can have a healthy body by following some healthy habits. Good and proper food habits. We should wash fruit and vegetables before cooking or eating them. We should keep the food covered with a lid. We should wash our hands before and after the meals. Eat balanced diet that includes cereals, pulses, milk, green vegetables and fruits. We must drink plenty of clean water every day. We must eat at the fixed times only. We should properly chew our food. We should rinse our mouth with water after every meal. Food gives us energy and helps us to build a healthy body. More to know. Food that makes us fat and unhealthy is called junk food. We should avoid eating junk food. Exercise. We should exercise regularly to keep our body fit and healthy. We must go to the park for fresh air and play outdoors regularly in the evening to build our muscles strong. All this helps us to make our body healthy. More to know. We should practice yoga and aerobics. Good posture. All of us need to maintain good posture to stay fit and healthy. Good posture should be maintained while standing, sitting, and walking. Rest. When we work hard during the day, we feel tired. So we should take proper rest. Resting is important because it relaxes our body and muscles. Sleeping is a way to give rest to our tired body. We should not stay up late at night. More to know. Wise saying, early to bed and early to rise makes the person healthy, wealthy and wise. Now I know. We should eat balanced diet and avoid eating junk food. We should eat clean food and drink plenty of water. We should exercise regularly and maintain good posture. We should take proper rest to relax our body.